Sorry for that. We had some technical issues. I'm Leon Titis. I'm back here for the third ranking series of the year, the Ulaanbaatar Open in Mongolia. And on mat B, we have Жоламан versus his Kazak opponent Ardakov. This is the comeback of Shorshenbekov. He's been away from the mat for almost 2 years now. And this is a comeback we've all been looking for. Unfortunately, he already lost a match today, but because of round robin, he's still in the semifinal as he placed second in his group after losing to his Iranian opponent. Worth to note is that this is not Shorshenbekov.
Вакыт келди. Өтүү керек. O bank жана O жаңы кардарлары үчүн. Дароо 200 гигабайт жана 200 сом алгыңыз келеби? Каалаган Остор дүкөнүнө кошулуп, кош бонусту алыңыз. Биз менен сизби? Досторуңузду чакырыңыз жана ар бир досуңуз үчүн 200 сомдон алыңыз. O bank жана O өтүүгө жана биз менен болууга эң ыңгайлуу учур.
Normal weight class, he usually wrestles at 60 kilos, was bumped up to 63 kilos for this comeback of his. I apologize for earlier on. It seemed like we had some technical issues, but we are live.
Да, подави ногами. Ногами подави. Подави ногами. Подави ногами. Да, заходи туда. Да, еще подави. Давай. Во, заходи. Давай, поддавливай. Да, еще поддавливай. Поддавливай, да. Во, поддавливай. Давай. Хорошо. Делай так.
So Ardakov gets the first partner opportunity here. Will he be able to score an Olympic and bronze world medalist here? Shorshenbekov is doing an excellent job defending his opponent's lifting.
Вытащи голову! Встать надо!
Ardakov is looking to defend this takedown, but he's not able to defend this takedown against the Olympic medalist. We have a massive scoring opportunity for Shorshenbekov here.
Не отдавай голову, вытащи голову. Голову выше держи. Давай, поработать надо. Пошел. Да. Во, только туда, Эркиплан. Во, только туда. Давай, только туда, снизу.
Shashabekov is really
Да, еще.
showing everyone who's the one in charge. He's picking up the pace here. He's pushing his opponent around. He really wants this second party opportunity. And as of the looks of it, he's going to get it. And a slip throw from Ardakov.
Туда забивай руку. Голову вытащи голову. Центр.
Decision A.
So the Olympic medalist, Жоламан gets the party opportunity here. This is where he usually scores. But the lengthy Kazak is not giving up points easy. He's doing a great job defending on the right side. Jolaman's lifts. And no points will be confirmed here.
Поработать надо, Евгипан. Давай. Поработать надо. Да, заходи. Опять, давай. Поработать надо. Давай. Поработать надо. 1,5 минуты. Пробей снизу. Пробей руку. Пробивай снизу. Снизу пробивай. Чего стоишь, работай. Работай. Попробуй зайти в захват. Заходи. Минута осталась. Меньше минуты.
Constant pressure from Shashabekov, not giving up anything to Ardakov here.
Иди в захват.
Leaves no space between him and his opponent. That makes it very hard for Ardakov to score on him. Sharshenbekov playing this safe. He keeps his arms to himself. The elbows close to his body. He's not giving up anything lately here. It looks like Sharshenbekov is on to the finals at 63 kilos at the Ulaanbaatar Open in 2026.
Yedekçi Samurlar Derece